Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shomrita Paul and you are watching Foodie Bong. So today I am at The Flyers, which is located in Kankurgachi, and I will share you the full location details in my description box. So you must visit. Here is my starter, so let's try out. So this is the Mangolian fish, so I will just try this out, and the decoration is really so good guys, as you can see. So let's now have this out. So let's now take out the Mangolian fish. So it is so good in look, so as you can see. So I will just try out this one, so watch the video till end. So I will just try this. As you can see, it is filled with the fish and it is prepared with the ginger, garlic and the Thai paste. So I will just try this out, and it is fried in a pan. So I'll just have this out. Really, the fish is really soft and it is tangy and spicy, and the taste is just different. It is having a Thai paste smell and the flavor also. I'll just have this out again. The fish is really fresh and the fish quality is really good, so it is overall so good, and the design is the decoration is also good. So I will just have this out again. It is super delicious guys. You can just try out this in The Flyers. Finally, from the main course, I have taken the Malaysian noodles, which is containing of the chicken, prawn and egg, and it is green in color guys. So let's now try this out. It is also containing of the veggies and all, so it is looking too delicious. So I will just have this out. So let's try out the Malaysian noodles. It is unique in taste guys. It is just amazing. That literally guys, I can say you, it is not similar to normal noodles and all. So it is literally amazing in taste. I will just have this out again. Guys, the color of this noodles is just like the spinach Maggi, so it is really good, and the taste is like a little bit spicy, and all the flavors are there with means like the black pepper, salt and many more things are there. I cannot explain you in details. It is just amazing, and it is containing of means good quality of chicken and the prawns and also the eggs. So I will just have this out again. Amazing, guys. I'll just try this out again. Dessert, so let's try out this pineapple passion sundae. So I will just have this out. It is looking too delicious, guys. I'll just have this. Munta bore galo. It's having the dry fruits, many things, guys. Guys, literally this pineapple passion is amazing in taste. It is looking too delicious and it is super tasty, guys. I'll just have this out again. It is having the real pineapple and the passion fruit also, so just taste it out. It is super delicious. It is having the real fruits, it is having the dry fruits and many things. So you have to just come and try this. Literally, I can suggest you that you can just try out this pineapple passion. It is amazing in taste. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please do a like, comment, share. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Must visit the flyers.